Hello and good morning. This is Paul from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a really cool Fiat 500L 2014 model, only 36,000 miles, and this is a wheelchair accessible vehicle. This is a wheelchair accessible manual rear entry, Freedom Motors converted wheelchair car hatchback. This is super cool. This is what we do at Freedom Motors USA. We've been in business for over 30 years. We specialize in making lives of folks in wheelchairs a little bit easier, but a little fun too at the same token with crossovers, SUVs, trucks. Super cool. Now I'm going to show you, we've got Garrett is in here in a wheelchair already in the back. I'm going to show you how easy it is with the manual rear entry Freedom Motors conversion, how easy it is to get in. The ramp here is spring loaded, so it's very lightweight. It's nearly weightless. Super smooth. Okay. So you can see here, exiting. Now we have some vehicles as well with an automatic rear ramp and a power transfer seat, so you literally could just take off right from your wheelchair, enter the vehicle automatically with the push of a button, and then transfer into the driver. I have other videos on my YouTube page showing the Kia Soul, which has an automatic ramp and a power transfer seat, so you literally can drive, just transfer right from your wheelchair. Pretty cool stuff. All right, I'm going to have Garrett show you how to get back in. It's pretty simple stuff. It's a 2014. We have a huge warehouse with hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles in stock. This is just one of many. We have vehicles starting from $11,999 going all the way up to nearly $80,000 for Suburbans. Super simple, just like that. There's also an easy lock system which you can purchase to lock your wheelchair into the vehicle quicker, so you don't have to mess with the straps and everything. Here's the footballs here where you strap the wheelchair into place so it doesn't move, but there is the easy lock system which makes it even simpler. So just like that, super simple. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. We have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles. We got Chevy Suburbans and Chevy Silverados, Yukons, GMC Sierras. Check out our whole entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Go to our YouTube page to check out all the walk-around videos of all the really cool, unique, innovative wheelchair accessible vehicles. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Located in Battle Creek, Michigan. We do in-house free demonstrations nationwide. We ship from coast to coast. If you're interested in this vehicle, check out our website, freedommotors.com. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.